I ordered the fan favorite, the glow, and also the wild card boxes. You have to pardon my English since I'm Norwegian, so it can be a little bit rusty on the English side. And hopefully this will be fun, and it will give you a sneak peek of what we got, and hopefully also what you can expect. So with that said, I thought that we could start with the fan favorite box. Okay guys, let the fun begin. This is the first box, the fan favorite. Also specified on each box actually. This is the first time I ever seen Discmania do something like that. But yeah, for sure, fan favorite. So, what do we have here? We have a Velcro patch. First time ever also seeing that from Discmania. Nice. And we have fan favorite mystery box greatest hits. Just 20% off your purchase. Actually, I won't give you the code, but yeah, this is just the description of the box. On the back side, you also have more or less a menu showing you what kind of different discs you can expect in the mystery box. There are some goodies here. C-Line DD3 special blend colors, DD1s, Metal Flake CD, C-Line FD, Vapor S-Line PDs, Color Madness Lux Horizon Essence, Neo Horizon Function. So yeah, I will just hold it like that, and you can maybe zoom in or take a picture. Yeah, so that's that. Now let's jump into what we're actually here for. Okay, this is a nice. First of all, we have I think it's it's P1, actually a really sick sticker. Nice one on that Discmania. Okay, you have a PD, cool color variation. Never seen that before. Yeah, solid disc, one of a kind theme on the stamp as well. So yeah, for sure, not the average stock run PD. That's for sure. Really cool. And we have a mid-range, probably a MD. Yeah, it's an MD3, also 6 stamp. I really like the new stamps they have put on them. Wow, this is really cool. This is a DD1, I think. Yeah, it's a DD1, fully weight, Discmania Mystery Disc, exclusive stamp. Really like the black and white Horizon plastic. This is a really nice disc. Wow, super cool. Okay, this is a new one. Never seen this blend before, and again, sick stamp. Really love the stamp. This is a DD3 fully weight, 175. Wow, so sick color. I think color is more justified on the white cardboard backside of the box. Oops, I'll just try to do it like this. Really nice, really nice. So again, good mix of mid-range, putters, drivers, everything. And we have also a putter, one more putter, the P2X, Discmania, solid banger as well. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. And wow, this is also something I've never seen before. Metal Flake FD, full weight pink, really cool. So yeah, really nice solid throwers. Really good disc in general in the fan favorite box. I'll take a look, and yeah, nothing in the secret compartment. So yeah, this was a really nice start for sure. I think those two were for sure the winners. this is going to be bagged, and also probably this as well. Or my wife is going to steal this one. Not sure. I know for sure she's going to steal the pink FD, because she throws the FD as well. So this will be probably guaranteed bagged on her end. Yeah, in general, fan favorite box. Wow, Discmania outdid themselves. This is what I actually really call a Discmania Mystery box, because yeah, wasn't expecting none of that, with completely new blends, stamps, molds. The molds are okay, for sure fan favorites, but yeah, 5 out of 5 Discmania. Really good box. Now we can jump into the glove box. Okay, we got the same certificate, but actually the certificates are different on all the boxes actually. This is a specified glow, let's say it's certificate. Also the menu on the back side showing the FD1, FD2, MD3, DD, FD3, DD2, DD2 actually. Wow. That's the yeah, that's the prototype release. Wow. The C-Line P3X, and also here again Velcro. Nice. Gonna use them for sure. Okay, let's jump into it. Wow. First of all, we actually got the first pull was the DD2 prototype released in 2025. I think it's a new Enigma. So yeah, for sure, like the color variation and glow as well. That's really nice. Didn't expect that to be glow. Wow, cool. And here we have, this is a FD3 or something. Yeah, it was FD3, pink as well. Really nice banger, solid stamp as well. So yeah, fully weight, cool, really nice. And here, wow, this is really nice. This must be a P3X. Yeah, this is a P3X. I actually bagged this disc as well, so that's for sure going straight into the bag. Love the stamp. Perfect tacky / stickiness. Fully weighted. Yeah, solid disc, this menu. Really nice. And here we also have a driver. Sick stamp as well. Really nice. Love it. This is a DD actually. Wow. This is also something my wife probably will steal then. Really nice. Love the sick golden stamp on the pinkish glow plastic. Really nice disc. Wow, cool. Here we have mid-range, probably one more MD3 I think. Probably a glow as well. Yeah, MD3. Actually those were the same on both the boxes. My fan favorite box and this one as well. But for sure, this is also straight up good disc. Nothing wrong at all. Loving the stamp on that one as well. And we have a fairway. Yeah, this is the FD1 actually. Super sick. Actually, I love that they looks like they have more or less gone with the theme on the different colors, which actually match on both the stickers or the stamps and also the plastic as well. Yeah, probably also something that will be bagged from my better half. Yeah, nothing in the compartment, but yeah, wasn't expecting that as well. Again, really solid disc, for sure. A lot of throwers, love the stamps, love the molds, really nice. This is actually, yeah, super nice mystery boxes on Discmania's part. So for sure, love what they have done. And now we have the white box, last of my boxes. I didn't go for the bundle, but yeah, those are the boxes I got, and we'll take a look and see what's on the last one. Yeah, again, same here as well. The card with the menu, with the FD1, CD1, DD1, DD3, Notion, PDs, Horizon Essences, MD3Xs, P1X, P1, and P3X. No Velcro? Yeah, we got Velcro as well. So probably every box gets its own Velcro. Much better than the candy we got the previous years. This must be a P3X. No, sorry, P1X. Yeah, P1X. Really love it. Actually, this is my go-to putter as well. So again, gonna be bagged straight away. Love the stamp. Yeah, really nice. I think we have maybe a duplicate. No, actually, this is the CD one as well. But again, pink disc with purple stamp. Really nice color scheme. Yeah, just again, straight up good disc, really good disc. This is the P3X. Again, a lot of pink in the box, but that's okay. Don't mind that. P3X, really nice stamp, nice color theme, good disc. Oh wow, this is cool. What we have here? Wow, this is a DD3. Wow, for sure. This was really sick. Look up on the color blend. Really nice. I think it's actually better to maybe do it like this. Super sick DD3. Really nice. So wow, for sure. So cool. Wow. You did it, Discmania. You really did it. This is there are some good mysteries here, guys. And here we have this as well. I think probably some of you will recognize from previous mystery boxes a couple of years ago. But I have this must be the DD1. Yeah. DD1 first run Stratosphere. Super sick as well. DD1 fully weight. Love the color scheme with the blue on white and blue on white on the stamp as well. Wow, this is really nice, Discmania, for sure. And again, here we have probably an FD. No, this is a PD. Super cool pattern. Again. They really color matched the disc with the stamp. Love that. Fully weighted. Maybe not a huge fan on the colors itself, but again, it's really nice. All in all, super cool design, super cool disc. Really nice. And we have fairway. Driver as well. We have to. I need to check the last compartment. Oh. So nothing to expect in the hidden compartments on the mystery boxes this year. But our last disc is the FD1 blue on golden. Again, really nice disc. All of them are baggers. Really love all the rarities they put here, both combining the colors and the stamps as well. No fillers, only throwers. They outdone themselves when it comes to what they promised with no fillers and no active lime plastic and things like that. Got some for sure sick discs that I really loved. I think this must be my favorite. For sure, the DD1 Stratosphere is a nice disc as well. But the P1X, which will be bagged for sure, was a really nice disc. Got some really nice glow discs. For sure, love the pink on golden. I think my wife is going to love it even more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my unpacking and a sneak peek into hopefully what you also will get in other color variations. So for sure, for those of you who didn't buy the box this year, I think it's too late. They got sold out. So I think there was around 100 boxes in each category. I tried to check because I just put in 1,000 boxes and added to the chart or my cart, and it stood that there was only 80 or something boxes left, more or less, when they launched. So there are some hidden gems here, and for sure, hopefully, the way Discmania will keep doing their mystery boxes. Hopefully, we can see some black mystery boxes in 2026 with the premium line as well. That would be sick. But again, Discmania, now you did it the right way. So super stoked. Really nice boxes, really nice discs, Velcro patches. All in all, 2 thumbs up from me. Love the discs. So this is my this was my first video ever, and my first preview as well. Don't know if I'm going to do any new ones, but if you have any comments or recommendations or anything you would like to see or not see, just give me a comment, and hopefully also you give me a thumbs up, and yeah, have a nice evening or morning or whatever, wherever you are. Here in Norway it's already dark, so it's glow or nothing, so today it's actually nothing. So thank you, bye bye.